Alright, so I don't know how people do it. I don't know if you care, but what I'm going to try and show you is how I get my thumbnails. Or just one of the ways I can. One of the things I start with is last time I would clip for Doom. I'd take screenshots of my desktop, and I have 3 monitors, so it gets a little unwieldy. So what I'm doing this time is I'm just using the snipping tool and popping it in Illustrator. Now, I want to make the next one. I'll show you the whole thing. Next segment, which is still it's not going to give you spoilers, but it could. So, what I would do, my next segment's probably going to be around 30 minutes. So, I'd watch all the content. That looks like I died there. Try and find something really, I don't know, dramatic. I gotta start thinking about how I want thumbnails. See this? Oh. See, perfect. I got the funky face, you got the weird thing here. So what I'm gonna do, crop this. Well, it's not really cropping, but snip this. I got that. You can save it, or you can just click it. And then make sure you're on your thumbs layer. I set this up so that there's... Oh, you probably can't see this because I'm in the way. So I've got text, my whitewash layer. I'll show you what that does. Thumbs and background. What we're going to do, post this on the thumbs layer. Ooh, might want to lock your other layers so you don't move it around. So then I scale it. I know it's not going to be a high res whatever, but it's fine. Get you to you. I'll usually try and center it just so I have some consistency with where I sit, even though the sizes are a little different. Unlock my text layer, which is all of this. Move that right on over. Don't worry about hitting the center. I have this all grouped together so it stays together. And then you can go boop, double click, change what you need to change, and then get out of that. And then basically, I have the thumbnail. It's not too bad. It looks kind of weird. Doesn't show everything I want it to show perfectly, but if I find a better one, while I'm editing, I'll probably change it. But what I wanted to show you is that I have my own layer with my own color. It's my Bodhi Bones color. It's basically an off-white. Without it, that's the straight screenshot, right? I like to add a little bit of a whitewash. Makes it pop a little better, makes the font stand out, and it doesn't look like the video. So it's not like your standard YouTube clip something out of your video, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, that's pretty much that. All it is it's rectangles over each one of these, and I have it on an overlay blending option so that it just goes over everything except for the text. If it was over the text, it would look a little weird. So I like the text that way. It makes it pop. And then you just export. File, export. I export them all at once in case there's any changes, but you can see all my other thumbnails. Work on the newsroom thing. Export, overwrite. You don't have to overwrite, but it's just easier than trying to select the same numbers over and over again. And then there we go. That's how I make my thumbnails. Well, with Premiere and Illustrator and all that. I know there's a million ways to do it, but this is how I do it. So, thank you for watching. I don't know if this was useful. It's pretty simple. If you don't know how to do this and you're looking this up and you're finding this video, I don't know how helpful that would have been. It's Subpar Gaming. And I'm Bodhi. So, thanks for watching.